Dubai in general, especially for American companies, is a portal to the Middle East region. Our country does $26 billion of trade every year with the United Arab Emirates. On comparison, we do $19 billion with the Saudis. We Americans enter the Middle East and North Africa often through this gateway, the UAE, and often through Dubai. The Dubai Airshow, and especially with the vision of Sheikh Mohammed as it relates to programs in space, is poised at the beginning of a new era. This show needs to and will begin to bring attract more and more companies focused on exploration, on the value of going into space, not just Mars, but beyond that. And that technology is going to have spin-offs into other industries throughout the entire Gulf and throughout the world. The one word I would use to describe it would be sparkling, because there's royalty, there's industry royalty, there's technology which is leading edge. I like the word sparkling.